Hey everyone, let's talk about something often overlooked by drone enthusiasts, insurance. Specifically, does your homeowner's insurance cover your drone? Now, drones might seem like harmless toys, but with propellers spinning at 5,000 RPM or falling from 400 feet, they can cause serious damage or injury. And here in the US, the Federal Aviation Administration doesn't require drone insurance, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't have it. So does homeowners insurance cover drones? Well, it varies. Coverage can differ from one insurance company to another, and the level of protection isn't always the same. It's crucial to check your specific policy for details. If your homeowner's insurance falls short, don't worry. There are companies specializing in drone insurance that offer various types of coverage. Here are a few options. BWI Fly, best for high coverage limits. Skywatch AI, best for flexibility. Thimble, best for hobbyists. Droneinsurance.com, best for international coverage. Avion Drone Insurance, best for weddings and events. United States Aircraft Insurance Group, USAIG, best for businesses. So, is drone insurance worth it? Absolutely. One mishap could cost you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in damages. Plus, many companies hiring drone pilots require proof of insurance with minimum coverage levels. So before your next flight, make sure you're covered. It's peace of mind you can't afford to ignore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone tips and info. Fly safe, everyone.